Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights into the latest in home decor. Today, we're diving into what could easily be the best wall writing decor currently on the market: the Faith, Hope, Love vinyl wall quote stickers. These aren't just stickers, they're statements that add depth and inspiration to any space. Whether you're looking to spruce up your living room, bedroom, or even your office, these stickers offer more than just aesthetic appeal. They bring a touch of positivity and motivation, reminding us of the values that matter most in life: faith, hope, and love. Let's talk about what makes these stickers stand out. First off, they're crafted from high-quality vinyl, ensuring durability and ease of application. You won't find yourself dealing with peeling corners or fading colors months down the line. Applying these stickers is a breeze, thanks to their user-friendly design. Simply peel, stick, and smooth out any air bubbles. No professional installation needed. Plus, they're easy to remove without leaving any sticky residue behind. Imagine walking into a room and being greeted by a gentle reminder of what truly matters. That's the magic these stickers bring to your home. They create focal points, sparking conversations and setting the tone for meaningful reflections. From elegant cursive to bold typography, there's a design to match every taste and decor style. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or want to make a bold statement, these stickers can transform any blank wall into a canvas of inspiration. And let's talk value. These stickers are not just affordable, they're an investment in daily inspiration. For the price of a few cups of coffee, you can revitalize your living space and uplift your spirits daily. In conclusion, the Faith, Hope, Love vinyl wall quote stickers are more than just decorations. They're reminders to live with purpose and embrace the positivity around us. If you're ready to transform your space into a sanctuary of inspiration, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the latest home decor trends. Until next time, stay inspired.